Hi friends, I am Italia at Mom's Dish. Today we are making air fryer asparagus. It is crunchy, flavorful, so delicious, you're gonna love it. Your asparagus will not look the same. So this one is the one that I got from Costco yesterday. It's actually quite thick. It's literally the size of my fingers, but I love it. I love the crunch in this one. I think it gives you more flavor. It gives you like a bigger bite. I really like that. Also, you can pick up something like this. This is something I think I got at Whole Foods or I don't remember what grocery store. It's much, much slimmer. This is probably gonna be a more common one. This is where you have to adapt your cooking time. So when you're air frying your asparagus, halfway through, check on the texture, see what you think, and then decide if you wanna cook it longer or less. And it's really hard to tell you, hey, cook it for 7 minutes, because I mean, this one may need 10 minutes and this one may need 4 or 5 minutes. You need to trim off the edges of asparagus. One of the ways that you can do that is like by snapping it off. So you hold the asparagus like this and it will naturally snap off like the top part of the asparagus. So you'll see it snapping. See how that did? This is garbage. And you'll have to do this with each piece of asparagus. One of the easier ways to do this is when you get it from a grocery store, typically a few inches from the ends is what you need to cut off. I keep this rubber band on and I just snap it off all together with a knife like this. And that's pretty good measurement of like the good part of asparagus, and this is the bad part of the asparagus. I am gonna season asparagus in my air fryer basket because that just avoids extra dishes. So I'm gonna line them up in one row, all in here, and just make sure they're just like lining up nicely just in one row. And I'm gonna fit as many as I can. Air fryers are great for like weeknight meals because you can make like the perfect portion in such a short time. I love air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, I mean, I don't even know why you don't have one because you need one. Okay, asparagus is lined up. Then for oil, I use a little bit of oil. I'm using this avocado oil, the Chosen Foods one. If you can get a good spray oil quality one, that's great. So spraying asparagus. And then I'm gonna season them with garlic parsley salt, my most loyal seasoning. This is the Larry's garlic parsley salt. It has all the flavors. It's perfect for salt. It has a little bit of kick of garlic and just herbs. So seasoning that up. And then, we need some I'm kidding. I have a really sad looking Parmesan, but this is what I use. I use fresh Parmesan, and as you grate it, it starts looking funny. I'm gonna grate a generous amount of Parmesan in here, just on top of my asparagus. And this grater probably needs to be upgraded because it just looks funny. It's one of the IKEA ones, and I'm one of those people that just kind of sticks with the old things. So continue grating Parmesan here. But I love doing all of this in one basket because, like I said, no dishes, nothing to worry about later, easy cleanup. If you are doing asparagus, I suggest trying our air fryer salmon recipe as well in the air fryer because you can just take this out, make the salmon, and you have a whole dinner. We're gonna pop this in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 7 minutes. But if you have one of those skinny asparagus, whatever they're called, you know what I'm talking about. If they're skinny, just cut your cooking time by half and then check how you like the texture and then continue air frying. And now it's just a waiting time. If you are planning to make salmon in an air fryer, this is where you can prep it and just pop that in right after asparagus. It makes a perfect meal. Our asparagus is all done. We're gonna pop it out of here and just put it on a serving plate. Hold on, let me move this aside. Back. We're gonna just remove this from the air fryer basket. The cheese is all melted. It has nice golden color. I love this. So simple, but yeah, so delicious. Oh, it's hot. So I cooked mine for 7 minutes, and this is like the fatty kind of asparagus. So if you have the skinny kind, do a shorter time. This is like perfection here. Let me do a little sprinkle of Parmesan in here. It's just gonna be epic. There's never enough Parmesan on anything, I feel like, or like enough cheese. So I'm adding a little more Parmesan on top of asparagus, and we will do a little taste test. And I love them crunchy and slightly tender and just flavorful. So good. It is just epic. Cameraman, I need you here.
This is absolutely the coolest thing. If you guys never tried this, you're missing out. So first of all, if you like asparagus and you haven't tried this, I don't know what you're talking about. But if you haven't tried this, just like even if you don't like asparagus, I feel like after you try this, you're gonna look at asparagus a different way. And actually filming it, I'm realizing how quick it takes to do it as well. I feel like literally we started a few minutes ago and we're done already.
Yeah, it's an easy recipe.
Yeah. Super cool. Anyways, I love this.
Okay, we'll see you again with more crazy easy recipes.
It's true.
Bye.
No, did you know a fun fact? Like a third of you, when you use a restroom,
Stop.
you're gonna smell funny after this. And
That's not a great selling point.
no, well, it's not. It's actually funny because our body reacts to this different. It's not bad for you. It's just a fun fact.
Okay, I don't want to eat it anymore. Now I just tossed it out.